What's happening, YouTube? Today I'm putting a drive shaft in my 2008 Ford Edge. Center bearing took a crap on it, so we're going to be doing that. Now, if you notice, I am missing my big toolbox right here, my snap-on one. It's because I sold it. Yep, got $1,200 for it. Paid $800 for it. So that's gone. Some of my other tools are sitting out for right now, but we'll get to that another day. But for right now, okay. Throw the camera in. So this is your drive shaft. That's what mine is doing. So what I'm going to be doing is take out 4 13 bolts and then 2 15s and 4 more 13s. I'll zap these out and then should come right out. I'm going to try and get you guys into a decent spot here to sort of see what I'm doing. Come on, damn it. Okay, so those two. I guess I'll have to I'm gonna break that loose with the breaker bar. That's not over the rotate, this is neutral. Damn it. Well, actually, yeah, I really can't do that neutral because I can't move the rear end. I'm going to try my 1/2 inch gun. Yeah, that'll work out a lot nicer. It's not sure. No, it's just a little bit too hard to get in there. Probably use an extension. sorry about the time on this thing, but I going to try my 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. I work in a very, very small garage, and so I don't have a lot of access to a lot of space here, but I should be able to get her off. Okay. That worked out like the charm. Oh, there's blue thread lock around here, no wonder. Well, there's one more bolt up here that looks pretty hard to get at, but I think we can get her out. Try some extensions and stuff here to see if we can get her off. If I had more space, I'd jack this up in the back and been able to put, spin the drive shaft around, or spin the tires and then spin the drive shaft, but I just don't have the space to jack this up right now. Sorry guys, I know you guys fell there. This is a little hard to do with cell phone and other good stuff here, but someday when I get money, I'm going to buy a house with a lift to where I can do this stuff very easily, because this way is just stupid, but like I said, I don't have access to a lift or anything, so I got to try and get it all done like this. I wonder, we can use the old swivel here. And give her a shot like this. Okay, YouTube, sorry about all that, but had to end up using my 1/2 inch impact with a 1/2 inch swivel to an extension, another extension to a 3/8 reducer to a 3/8 swivel, and a 13 millimeters. So at least got all that out now. And then now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna do this one. Okay. These are 15s. Nice and rusty. Whew. So, I'm kind of thinking what I might do is take off those 13s up there to where I can not have this fall on me. So, I'm going to do that actually first. So, I'm going to take these out first. If I take this other one out, this is going to fall on me, and I want that to happen. So, what I'm going to do, try and sit up here the best that I can. And then use this contraption I've got. Ow. Okay, I'm going to take off this swivel, and I'll just have the half-inch impact on it. This is incredibly hard to do with one hand. I'm going to invest into a camera and a tripod, I think, at some point. Come on. Alright, I put you guys down for a quick second. Okay, sorry about that, but put this back on here with just one hand. Okay. Whew. The old half-inch Milwaukee here is pretty heavy. That's what I'm using. So, I'm gonna finish up this carrier bang here, and okay. So now we got all this stuff out of here. May have to there we go. get the old hammer on this part to yep. Oh man, yeah, this is my little garage I got. We don't have much space in here at all. See that? That's as much space as we got in there, but grab the old hammer here and get her out. All right. There we go. Now, mine was a two-piecer, but yeah, basically, this thing here is just fucking destroyed. So, got her out. I'll make this a two-part video if you guys want to see how to reinstall it. I'll make a reinstallation video as well. Basically, it's a reversal of doing this, but we'll do that as well. So, catch you guys later.